What's up, guys? It's Vincent or Rocky, and I want to do a Rocky recap on two news trades that happened for me last week: Tesla and ARM. One was a bearish news trade example, the other was bullish. I want to explain how I was able to have great returns in just a short amount of time on these day trades. And as you guys know, this has been my favorite day trading style for 3 to 4 years at this point, and it still works, especially when there is news, because news moves stocks, and when there are moves, there is volatility, and if you capitalize on volatility, you can get a great return. So let's go over the first example. We have, Elon Musk says he plans to spend the next 4 months working on Doge, aiming to cut $2 million or $2 trillion in deficit. And pretty much what this headline meant is that the more he works with Doge, the less he's going to work with Tesla and be there, less involvement as a CEO, and he might possibly have to give that role to somebody else. Obviously, Elon's very hard to replace, and that drove some fear into the stock, and that's why the stock went from 345 to 335 in 20 minutes. A $10 sell-off, guys, in 20 minutes. Sometimes is about a 3% move on Tesla. Some people wait, a week to get 3%, but if you can get that in 20 minutes, that's where you come in as a news trader and you get that, a quick move because, the deltas are really starting to work for you, etc. So I had what puts did I have? I had the 340 puts. They went in the money very quickly, and I was able to make about $600, $700 on this trade. For my news trades, I'm only going about $500 to $1,000 per trade. They are riskier in nature because, they're weeklies, right? But even still, I know my risk to reward is favorable if I'm early, and if I get a good fill, I can get a great trade outcome. The next one is ARM. So now this is a bullish example. This happened the day after on Thursday. I was able to get 85% here, I believe. But anyways, the news was ARM secures Meta as the first customer for the ambitious new chip project. If you guys know Meta, obviously, mega cap name. Stock is over $1 trillion market cap value. And if they expand into chips and, ARM is one of their big customers, that's obviously going to cause some bullish volume and momentum. You can see the stock rally $12. I had, which calls did I have? I had the 167.5 calls. I just picked the calls I could find with the best spreads or the ones I could get in immediately. And even if you were to chase, it still continued to rally just because that news was that good. And I also believe AMD sold off a little bit as, just kind of reacting to that as well. So, but those are two different news trade examples, guys. One bullish, one bearish. I hope you guys really enjoyed this and learned something from this. Pretty much, kind of know what headlines to get into. Really pay attention to the spreads, the time of the week, and things like that, and the volume, especially the volume, right? But yeah, if you guys enjoyed, drop me a like, drop me a follow. Appreciate you all. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.